I signed up for this course mainly for the hands-on experience and the real-world applications. It opens up the trade possibilities for apprenticeships and mentorships.
It's making me consider whether I want to go to college or go into the trades, whereas before I only wanted to go into college.
A lot of the assignments aren't like paper and are a lot more like skill-based. Keeps me like better engaged.
Everything we do is we learn about it and then we go do it. The difference between this and wood shop, you're small, make a birdhouse, cutting boards, things like that. In here we build, this is more construction. So students can choose between taking the math and home renovation class, or you can take the physics and home renovation class.
Build something and then we'll try to work on the mathematics behind it.
The teachers put a lot of effort to showing how everything would connect to like real-world experiences and real jobs in college and like future opportunities.
Well, from all the site visits, like I learned how I can get into the trades, what it would look like when I'm trying to get into the trades.
There's other options besides a four-year college. You can be extremely successful, you can make a very good living and have a long career doing something that you love.